Okay, so ano ba tong adventure mo? Bakit ka nag-oysters? Anong balak mo gawin sa buhay?
Try kasi ang oysters for the first time. And I liked it, so now we're doing only oysters today.
Ay, you excited?
Yes, very excited. So excited!
Ay, nako. Ako, I'm allergic to seafood. Or I'm eating shrimp.
True love.
True love?
True love. Thank you. Say hi.
Akin to eh. Okay na ba? Galing.
It's not working. Hindi ko... Ano to?
Pwede. Okay. First bite. Sarap.
Yes.
Ayun. Juicy sana. Mas natapon.
Pesos na 2,000. Pero per develop, 1K. Per film roll, 1K.
Hi. It's work day. I need to work again. Pero things are getting better naman na. I'll update you guys in a bit about it if I remember to update you. Anyway, I'm using the camera and I'm happy. I'll have time. Hi guys. So, parang ang gulo ng feelings ko. May mga araw na sobrang drained ako. May mga araw na energized ako like today. I think it really just depends. So, just to give you all an update, ako ay... Sorry, ayusin natin yung camera. Just to give you guys an update, kahapon, I had a call with my coach. So I have a coach if you guys are looking for a good ADHD coach na very experienced, as in more experienced than me, he's basically my mentor. Let me know in the comments, I can refer you to him. Pero I have an ADHD coach to help coach me for my ADHD. And yesterday, nagka-session ako with him. And sabi ko lang, parang hindi ako sure if I want to keep this current job. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know kung maghanap na ba ako ng bagong work, no? Kasi sabi ko, okay yung bayad sa current job ko, pero I feel drained. I don't feel as excited. Parang I am not excited to work. And honestly, I think that's a clear sign, maybe, na it's not a good work and not a good job, kumbaga. Kasi na-realize ko lang din na imagine 8 hours of our day is for our work. So that's already a third of 24 hours. We have 8 hours for sleep. Tapos the remaining 8 hours are, I don't know, for whatever. Yung dinner natin, yung commute, yung lunch, yung breakfast, time with family, and everything else. So a huge chunk of our time is spent on work. Kaya na-realize ko, I think, it matters pala what your job makes you feel. So basically, I told him about this. Sabi ko, with my current work, I don't feel as energized. We were basically talking about whether I should plan to find another job or if I should just continue sticking with this one. And I think medyo yung decision ko now is to try finding another job, a more ideal job na mas exciting for me. Honestly kasi, yung job na I think is going to be exciting for me is really YouTube. I miss making content. Hindi ko pa nga tapos i-edit yung isang video. I need to edit it. Feel ko now while I have time. So, I think I really want to have a job na I enjoy doing. So may that be creating content for you guys, building a business. I have so many business ideas. I want to do coaching again. I want to do a YouTube business. I want to make soap. I want to help my mom make soap and sell it. Ang dami kong gusto, guys. ADHD! So, ang dami kong gusto. And I think like it really energizes me to do those things. Kaso as long as I have a job, parang bulk of my time is nasa job ko. So, nisip ko, baka I should try finding a job na na-enjoy ko din. Tapos, hopefully with that, parang I'm still energized to do my businesses on the side. So anyway, kahapon, a learning I got from my coaching session is also expectations in terms of productivity. Kasi sabi ko, nahirapan ako with productivity. Parang nahirapan ako mag-focus. I can't focus for a whole 8 hours in a day. So, I brought it up. A learning I got, which he shared with me was, alam nyo ba, ang average person, as, like from a biological or neuroscience perspective, we can only focus for 3 to 4 hours a day. We can only achieve intense, deep focus for 3 to 4 hours a day. So imagine if yung job mo is 8 hours, yung intense focus na yun is distributed within your 8-hour shift. So for your 8 hours, hindi ka fully focused doon talaga. So it's an eye-opener kasi at least less pressure na to tell myself na, uy, dapat fully productive ka in your 8 hours. So, ayun, I just learned that. So with that in mind, naisip ko na if fully focused lang tayo for 3 to 4 hours in a day, I think I want to put that focus into something na I like talaga. Like finding a better job or having a YouTube job or creating content. So I feel like that's what I want to do. Anyway, wala lang. Just sharing some insights. So ayun, if you guys are like curious in coaching or like finding an ADHD coach, if you guys have ADHD, meron akong ADHD coach na I can recommend. Just let me know in the comments. I'd love to recommend him. I also do ADHD coaching pero I didn't get certified pa kasi mahal. Like it's like 300,000 pesos siguro. So ang mahal niya. Wala akong pera. Anyway, so yeah, that's where I'm at. I am trying to figure out my career still. I'm trying to figure out how I can build my businesses. I also have a lot of business ideas. Like I said, I want to build a YouTube business. Like, itong channel, like I want to build this as a business. Gusto kong magka-YouTube channel na, wow, David as a personal brand or whatever it is na I do. I also want to have a YouTube agency na parang I help people create content on YouTube. I help guide them. Kasi ang hirap. Like, it's really hard to start. It's really hard to gain confidence in the camera and also to think of content na you wanna do. I also want to do ADHD coaching kasi it's something I want to learn about and I want to help people with, especially those with ADHD. Ang dami kong gustong gawin. And with my current job, ang hirap. So I'm trying to figure it out. Anyway, wala. Snippet lang of some thoughts I have today. So I'll get back to work. I can only film for a few minutes, so back to work na muna ako. I'll go find a place to work, tapos I'll update you guys in a bit.
Good.
Productive.
Yes. I got my lashes.
Lashes.
That's my work today.
I show your lashes.
No, yeah.
Come on. Wait. Show your lashes.
Hindi yan ganyan. Bakit kailangan ipakita?
Hi. It's errand day. The way I pamper myself is naglilinis ako ng kotse. That's how I enjoy life. Anyway, just wanted to bring you guys with me. Let's go. As you can see, medyo madumi yung glass. Gusto ko sana linisin kasi wala lang. Nahihirapan na mag-drive paggabi. Nagsascratch siya eh, so baka kailangan palitan. Hi. Solo dinner ako today. I went to mass. Unfortunately, di sumama parents ko. So, yeah, solo day tayo ngayon. Yeah, kain lang ako sa labas tapos pasyal siguro konti. I miss the old days, guys. Yung high school ka pa lang or college ka pa lang. Wala ka pa masyado iniisip. Nakakamiss lang. Parang, I feel like ngayon, I'm always thinking about if my job is good for me, if I'm enjoying it, what I really want to do in life, what should I prioritize. I'm always thinking about those things. Pero, nakakamiss yung mabuhay lang. Kasi parang ngayon, we have these responsibilities. Parang, we're not living. We are working to live. Kumbaga. So, wala lang. Sometimes I just wish na I can take a break. Kahit 3 months lang. As in, walang gagawin. Honestly, gusto ko nga gumawa ng business na medyo physical. Yung hindi na digital. Pagod na ako mag-office type of business or mag-digital business na I am always on my laptop. Yeah, parang yung mom ko gumagawa ngayon ng sabon. Kasi nagme-mix siya ng sabon. Seems fun. Yeah, parang I want something physical. I want to make perfume. I'm trying to learn how to make perfume. Wala. Ganong bagay. Let's work toward that. I guess like I'll have to make these plans. I have to reflect what kind of life I really want for myself. Na-imagine ko ngayon, guys. Gusto ko I'm just making content full time maybe. Na-imagine ko na I have a business, let's say delivering soap or perfume business, and I'm enjoying what I do. And I don't need to be an expert in something. I just need to enjoy what I do. I need to plot it out. Kumbaga. I'll try to. Anyway, for now, I'll rest. See you guys in a bit. I'm here. Tambay lang. Oh, hello. We have a dinner plans, and I'm not done with work. Makeup time. Perfect. Hi.
Hello! Kinuha niya na. It's resized.
Let's
Enjoy.
ano?
Ah!
Wow.
Wow! Nag-focus dun ka masaya.
Oo.
Okay na? Focus?
Wait, bagalan mo. Ah, it's focusing on your face. There we go, twinkle.
How much yan? Sige.
110.
110? What? Kaya naman pala nagalit. Bakit naman? Relax.
Parang hindi na siya
Senior eh, medyo ganun naman ako.
Senior high siya. Tapos na may parang, hindi, very ADHD. Never ko naman siya. Well, to be fair, kasi nung senior high, I'd say very responsible si ADHD. Kasi pag responsible ka sa leader,
Ha?
diba? Parang, ang dami kong ginagawa ko talaga. So parang, hindi ka talaga.
Hey guys. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Tapos, yeah, I'm really just excited to be back kasi it's been a while since I filmed the vlog, of course. So, ayun, if you guys have mga video ideas, like, I guess, topics na you want me to discuss, I don't know, like, let's say, how I am finding jobs, or how I am shaping my career, or, I don't know, how to start a business, kasi I'm also just figuring it out. So, any topics, no, let me know in the comments and I'll try to make a video about it. Kasi iniisip ko if I should have vlogs and educational type of content in this channel. Yeah, I'm still thinking about it. Pero baka separate channel ko naman siya gawin. Anyway, so thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are enjoying life. So yeah, see you guys soon. Bye-bye.